and it is categorized under the segment called quadricycle. That is something very new to India. Bajaj has a product already, and we are kind of the second ones in this space to come up with a product that is precisely like purpose built and which is going to cater for the last mile connectivity. The product currently is we have completed our prototypes and we are working on the detailed industrial design for the first generation of our product. Yeah. One of our core technology that is going into the product is our platform architecture. So this is kind of a plug and play architecture which we have come up with. If you understand automobiles, basically this is a self-driving platform, more of a skateboard, what we call in the industry. This has got capabilities to scale itself from multiple categories. Basically, if you see any OEM that is building a vehicle, you build a pass car on the same platform. But our platform has capabilities to be scaled into even a cargo vehicle, right from 3 meter to up to 4.3 meters application. We do have designed the platform from scratch. We have a couple of patents on the platform also, right from the drivetrain systems. We do our own VCUs, and we also have designed the entire suspension and all the vehicle dynamic aspect for this platform. Right now what you see is like this is our third generation platform. We have validated the system for more than 10,000 kilometers or 1,000 plus operating hours. And in this situation where we are seeing is we are planning to roll out our first passenger vehicle on the same platform. Down the line we are also planning to come up with a cargo and an in-campus vehicle over the same platform, which basically the ideology for us is basically to build this because we see EV adoption is still going to take some more time, and low volume manufacturing is the only thing that can make sense in Indian market right now. So the platform actually complements us to make sure we build these vehicles in low volume and still make commercial sense for the end user and buyer. And we are a bunch of industrial engineers and also automotive engineers where we focus more on touch points like the end users, how the end users feel about the vehicle, and how this is going to change the way you have been doing your last mile commute and making more commercial sense for the people who are buying these vehicles and also operating. I think just up, down, last one. So this is kind of a journey from the beginning. We started by doing a conversion of the Maruti 800, which was the first one that anybody did in India. We imported everything like motor controllers, and also we did put together a battery pack. And then we proceeded, we understood the electrification concept then, and then we proceeded building our first generation of platform, which was kind of a benchmark vehicle from an Alto 800 or an equivalent vehicle. After all the learnings, we did our first prototype in a completely built vehicle, which basically even to the down the line, even the entire suspension system was built by us, and with maximum I would say more than 90% indigenous components. And this is our current generation of vehicles. 2023 we are planning to submit our first generation of vehicles for ARA approval, and hopefully by 2024 the vehicle should be on roads. Yeah, that's...
Thank you very much. Very nice. I'm sure lots of people have questions for you. I believe you guys are going to be out in the market fairly soon, so we are look forward to having your cute car on the roads.